The United Democratic Party member of Soyang constituency, Synshar Kupar Lyngdoh Thabah, on Tuesday was sworn in as the 60th member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The oath of office and secrecy was administered by Deputy Speaker Timothy D. Shira. Thabah of the United Democratic Party won the Soyang seat after defeating his closest rival, Samlin Malnyang, of the National People's Party by 3,422 votes.
I, Synshar Kupar Lyngdoh Thabah, have been elected a member of
a new MLA of Soyang constituency. Starts a new development, new ideas of bringing something new to the constituency and also adding a new brain to the assembly. Being a legislator, you just come and sit for the assembly. I want to be a legislator who speak in the assembly, which me speaking might be an addition or wake-up call to many other MLAs in the assembly.